Good day to everyone. Now we will have the general orientation for the core subject ethics. We begin by introducing the teachers handling this subject. We have Sir Johnny Bolongaita, Sir Peter Ver Paz, Sir Cedric von Alesna, yours truly, Vitalian Christopher Napone, Sir Ronilo Hirona, and we have Sir Gary Tabugon, who is on study leave right now. Now we go to the syllabus of the ethics. If you go to your Masao LMS, you can find this syllabus on the upper part of your course. It's on the week 1. So if you click that file, it will be downloaded or it will be open. And as you open it, this will be the content of that file. One of the important things that you should note about the syllabus is regarding the grading system. For ethics, we will have the class standing 30%, performance task 30%, and then the term exam 40%, for a total of 100%. The passing score for this subject is 60%, which is true to all GEC subjects or general education courses under the CHAS. Ethics subject has 18 weeks. So for the class standing, there will be 16 entries from week 1 to 8 and week 10 to 17. And then for the term exams, we have 2 entries for the 2 weeks of week 9 and week 18. So that is the midterm and final. For the performance task, we have 4 entries, 1 in every 4th week, from week 1 to 4, from week 5 to 8, and then from week 10 to 13, and 1 for week 14 to 17. For week 1, we have orientation and overview of philosophy. For week 2, we have dimensions of ethics and the good and the right. For week 3, we have moral agent and moral dilemmas. For week 4, we have debates in meta-ethics. And then since it's already the 4th week, so we also have 1 performance task. For week 5, it is cultural relativism. For week 6, we have ethical subjectivism. For week 7, we have supernaturalism. And for week 8, ethical egoism. And it's another 4 weeks, so we have another performance task. And for the week 9, we have the midterm exam. For the week 10, we have consequentialism. For week 11, we have the ontological ethics. For week 12, virtue ethics. And for 13, contractarianism. And it's already another 4 weeks, so we have also another performance task. For week 14, we have feminist ethics. For 15, we have applied ethics and ethics in modern time. For week 16, we have ethics and science, ethics and nature. And for week 17, we have accountability and its application to society and to self. And again, another last performance task. And for the week 18 is the final examination. So for the definition of class standing, it is the student's level of learning responses. It is on the quizzes or gap filling activities via CSU LMS or during discussions which presuppose an active participation and attendance of the students. So an assessment which covers shorter week and topic will fall under class standing, while an assessment which covers longer week and longer topic coverage will be classified under performance task. For the term examination, there will be 2 entries, as I already said, midterm and final, and it will be administered either online or in person, depending on the advisory from the administration. But in the recent announcement from the admin, the term exam will be in person. So you will come to CSU main campus to take the term examinations. But again, be prepared for any other announcement regarding to this, because, for example, there are discussions that when you come to CSU main campus to take the exam, is it like the bar exam in which you will bring your gadgets in person taking the exam, but through still in the your gadgets or to your phone or laptops? But it will question about the Wi-Fi connection. So either you bring your own data, or it could be in person, but you take it through paper and pen exam. So you manually take the exam, no longer in your gadgets. So be prepared for additional announcement, but the recent one is that it is final that the term examination will be in person. Okay? For the performance task, as I've said, there will be 4 entries, but the teacher may add to it, but the standard is 4 entries for one every fourth week, excluding the term exam weeks. So performance task will be a major component in students' overall grade. The program module's major performance can be in the form of essay, summative test, video making, class participation, or any major requirement. The teacher may decide what performance task is to be required to the students. Most likely, missed major performance task equates to a possibility for an incomplete grade or INC. Now we have class policies. Class policy may vary from one teacher to another, but these following are the general one. So the instructor and students meet in the following identified platforms, mainly in the CSU Massaw LMS. So all of the students in this subject are already enrolled. You may contact your teacher if you still could not find the subject in your LMS. We can also meet in the Google Meet, in the Zoom, Facebook group, in the Messenger chat, emails, SMS, and phone calls. But mainly, our main platform is the CSU Massaw LMS, where all the topics and assessments are found. To clarify, our classes will be most of all online. So the in-person will be only the term examinations. But it's up to the teachers if the teacher would like to meet you during the discussions or lessons in person. So the teacher will just announce that to you. But in general, the lessons will still be online, either synchronous classes, which we will have your Google Meet or Zoom meeting, or asynchronous classes in which you just listen to the recorded videos and answer the assessments, or a combination of it in which you will have a synchronous class, Google Meet, once a month, and then the other days and months you will have the asynchronous, not same time. So you will just go to the CSU Massaw LMS. For the class interaction, contact the instructor through CSU Massaw LMS by default and other identified social media platforms. Like for myself, I use Facebook page and also Messenger because you can access that even with free data. So there will be a direct contact, but the main default is the Massaw LMS. So we appreciate if the interaction is formal and decent. See the following image. So this is the example format. The important thing here is the introduction of yourself, especially in terms of what section or what subject do you belong. Because we teachers are handling many subjects and sections, so we cannot just guess where subject or section do you belong if you will just contact us immediately without introducing yourself. So this will be the sample format. And contact the instructor on official time for faculty consultation only, or during office hours through identified platforms in the Massaw LMS or in the chat room. So please avoid contacting us during nighttime or early in the morning. So it would be better if you know the class schedule of your instructor, and you may ask also your teacher what are the official time for his or her consultation. That's it for our general orientation for this subject, ethics. Thank you and God bless.